How to add bank account in Google Ads. Really easy and simple, guys. On your Google Ads account, what you want to do is come to the top right, click on the profile icon, and then click on Manage Your Google Account. This will open up a new tab. What you want to do is come here, click on Payments and Subscriptions. Okay, and now under Payment Methods, you want to click on Manage Payment Methods. So the payment methods here will be used across all your Google services. Come here, click Manage Payment Methods. And then once this page loads up, you want to come scroll down here and click on Add a Payment Method. And I can come over here and add your credit or debit card. Okay. And then your expiration date and CVV code. And then you can just enter your billing address and save that. Okay. It's that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.